Hey Dave.
Yeah, right, John?
Yeah, I wonder if you can help. I've got a real bad problem with my back.
Alright, I may not be a doctor or anything, but I am the Doctor Who found with the sonic screwdriver. Now let's have a look, shall we? Huh.
What?
According to this, you're an elephant.
What?
Jelly baby? Oh, hey, John.
Oh, hey.
What's the trouble?
Can't get in, I can't find my keys.
Have no fear. I've got my sonic screwdriver. Look! Jelly baby!
Oh.
Crap. She left me with that last Tuesday. What am I going to do? I know. I can reverse the polarity of the neutron throw and help stimulate the stem cells to help rejuvenate it back to life. Crap. Crap. Ooh, jelly baby. That should do it.
Oh. Looks like it.
Don't give me that look. I mean, I tried my best to get this done. It's just like the sonic screwdriver seemed to have done most of the effect. And...
Read it?
I don't know.
I just bought that.
What are you reading there?
Oh, nothing much.
Alright, what's up with it?
Oh, it seems long, drawn out and boring.
Alright. I can fix that for you. Allow me.
Getting interesting.
Hagrid buried in their mist. Hagrid! There was a terrifying pause, during which Harry could only stare at where Hagrid had been taken away. 5 long seconds later, Harry saw Hagrid's large form walking out from where he'd been taken. Harry sighed deeply, relieved when he noticed the bucket in Hagrid's large hands. Rushing towards him, he saw the initials KFC in large red letters. Harry wondered what they meant. Did I miss anything? Hagrid asked, gnawing on a chicken bone? What the...
Wait a minute. What book was that? Shoot!
Where are you going?
To get some more jelly babies.
Serious?
No!